Hello friend, in this lecture we will learn how to use list as a queues. Queue follows the first in first out concept. That means whichever element added firstly, it is also the same element which will be removed, sorry not removed, it will be retrieved firstly. So let delete this thing has actually remained from my previous lecture, so no need to keep all those things. So now I gonna go here. Okay, but here this list is not sufficient to solve the purpose of queue. To do this, you need a function from the collection package. Okay, let's import the queue from the dqueue from the collection package from collections import d e q. Okay, so and I am importing dq from the collection package. Let's create a queue here. So this queue and pass list as a argument, so it will automatically convert to a queue. Suppose this list having 5, 7, 9. Okay, now print the queue. Okay, so this is the queue out of a list. So why we go for converting this list to queue? Because this dq function, which is imported from the collection package, is having a inbuilt method pop left, which will help us to remove the first element. Okay, so that's why we are converting this thing to a dq. Okay, so now if I want to add something to the queue, how to add? Simply queue dot append, then add 3 here, suppose 5 here, 5 is also there, let add 8. Okay, and then print the thing, print the QUE. Okay, so now you can see here 8 is added. If you want to take out an item from the queue, then what you need to do? We need to call the function pop left. Pop means popping up the element from the left side. Popping up the element from the left side. So what is the first element on the left side? 3. Okay, so it will pop up the element from the left side. Let's store it in a variable x and print both the variable x and also the remaining UE. So what it should return? It will return print x, so it will return 3, and here in case of print the q, it will remain 5, 7, 9, 8. Okay, so you can see here 3 is came out of this q and stored in x, and we are printing x, so it will return print 3, and while we are printing the q, it will only present 5, 7, 9, 8, and the first element is popped up from the q. Thank you.